tatak, tatak.
Tatak,
Sound effect,
tatak.
eh, no? Nalala ko kasi yung Kung Fu movies ulit. Tachak!
Kada click mo may...
Ino-on lang eh. No? Okay, second song for the January 24th edition of Tunog Lokal. To give us the song Latch, a Sam Smith original and disclosure. Here's Jem Raven.
Down, you enchant me, even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. I wanna look in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I look in your love? Now I'm guiding you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? I feel we're close enough. Could I look in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I look in your love? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Got you shackled in my embrace. Got you onto you. I feel close enough. Could I look in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I look in your love? And I'm guiding you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
Tapos na isang araw, di ba, nagkita-kita sila noon pero hindi na nga natin maintindihan.
Dumaan sa kabila, sumigot.
Yung ba? Oo nga eh.
Yun ba yun?
Parang, teka muna. Parang may kumakanta yata kanina.
Meron.
Meron?
Tapos na.
Kaboom! Bigyan naman natin ng 10 palakpak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a half.
That was Latch. Different flavor, pare.
Different flavor.
Yan.
Kumbaga
Disclosure
sa...
and Sam Smith.
Kumbaga sa flavor
Dati bubblegum.
ba't may pumasok sa utak ko yung ano, alam mo, naaalala mo yung orange na candy na Jojo?
Jojo.
Patanda nun,
Yeah.
di ba?
Oh, maraming iba-ibang flavor na ano.
Oo nga eh, pero yung orange noon, gustong-gusto ko eh.
Bakit? Dahil
Wala
narinig mo
lang,
different
naalala ko lang.
flavor.
Nung
Dahil
makita ko,
binigyan tayo ng
gusto-gusto ko
different flavor ng Latch ni
Oo.
ni Jem Raven. Ayan.
Kung baga yung nabibili sa tindahan na honey, yung unang panahon, chocolate yun, di ba?
Chocolate
Bakit?
honey?
O, di ba yung honey na...
Yung
chocolate
honey
yun
na
eh.
chocolate na uso
Oo.
na sikat ngayon. H-A-N-Y.
H-A-N-Y.
Chocolate noon.
Chocolate
Ayan.
noon, honey na siya ngayon. Piso pa rin ba isa yon?
Hindi na eh.
Hindi na,
Alam ko,
magkano
dos
na
isa na
Dos na isa?
Tinda.
150. Saan ka nakabili
Saan yan?
ng 150?
Mura yan, ha? Dos sa
Mura yan,
amin,
ha?
eh.
Dos sa kanila. Siyempre, sari-sari store, may konting patong naman. Kung mahirap
nga
naman kaya
naman.
kumita ngayon. No?
Yan. Pero mabait yung sa kanila. 150
Oo nga.
lang.
Pengi nga, sino meron dyan?
Nag-craving ka bigla.
Oo, lang. Para medyo, di ba, kakaiba. Kakasawa kasi yung mga puro Ferrero Rocher. Di ba? Yung tipong pag nakakita ka na Ferrero Rocher.
May parang may sabit sa dulo.
Sabit sa dulo. Rocher.